Astrologers name 3 zodiac signs that will experience financial success from October 8th. They will be swimming in money. From October 8th, the flow of money will start pouring straight into the hands of 3 zodiac signs. Astrologers have identified those who will enjoy financial success and live in luxury. Want to know who will experience this golden chance? Watch this video to the end. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. There are many exciting predictions ahead that can change your life too. 1. Virgo. From October 8th, Virgos will finally be able to feel what real financial success is. Your hard work and attention to detail will be rewarded with incredible generosity. You will receive a profit that you may not have even dreamed of. Money will start coming from the most unexpected sources. Large deals, new projects, or long-awaited recognition of your merits can become the starting point of this financial takeoff. Your efforts, which have not brought the desired result for a long time, will finally turn into a tangible income. It is possible that you will receive a large bonus or a successful investment that will instantly increase your savings. Virgo, get ready to bathe in money. This financial success will change your life and open up new horizons of prosperity for you. 2. Libra. Libra, the stars predict incredible luck for you from October 8th, when you will literally begin to attract money to yourself. Financial success will come so suddenly and generously that you won't even have time to realize how the circumstances of your life have changed. Maybe it will be an unexpected bonus, a successful investment, or a lucrative offer that is impossible to miss. Every decision you make, every deal will start to bring maximum profit, as if the universe has finally decided to thank you for your harmony and balance. Libra, your financial situation will change dramatically, and you will enjoy the results of your efforts. Get ready for money to become your constant companion, and your wallet, a symbol of abundance. 3. Aquarius. Aquarius, from October 8th, the universe has prepared a real financial miracle for you. Luck will finally turn in your favor, and you will find yourself at the top of the cash flow. Your unconventional ideas, bold decisions, and desire to experiment will lead to stunning success. Perhaps you will receive an offer that will completely change your financial situation, or you will find yourself involved in a project that brings huge dividends. Money will come to you so fast that you will only need to have time to accept these gifts of fate. Aquarius, from October 2024 you will be bathing in money, enjoying prosperity and opportunities that previously seemed unattainable.